How to turn off contact suggestions in the share sheet on Android. This tutorial shows you how to remove contact suggestions that appear whenever you tap the Share button. First, open the Galaxy Store app on your Android device. If you don't have it, you can download it from the store directly. After that, search for Home app and download it onto your device. From there, once the download is complete, open the Home app and tap Next through the initial setup screens. At this point, tap Try It, and then toggle on Home app to activate it. In the next step, scroll down inside the app until you find Share Manager and tap on it. Following this, toggle on Share Manager to enable it. Once done, look for the Show Direct Share option and toggle it off to disable contact suggestions from appearing in your share sheet. From here, go back to your home screen and open any app, like Gallery, and tap the Share button to confirm that the contact suggestions are no longer showing up at the top. Finally, keep in mind that you can come back to the same Share Manager settings anytime and toggle Direct Share back on if you ever want the contact suggestions to reappear. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off contact suggestions in the share sheet on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.